Now, the rules for STTR are a little different at 4 of the 5 participating agencies. Remember, there are only 5 agencies that have STTR programs. These are the Department of Defense, the Department of Energy, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, the National Institutes of Health, and the National Science Foundation. At the National Science Foundation, the rules on an STTR PI's eligibility are the same as they are on the SBIR project. At the other 4 agencies, the PI can be primarily employed by either the small business applicant or the nonprofit organization with which the small firm is collaborating on the STTR project. Similar definitions of primarily employed apply to an STTR as they do to an SBIR. So once again, be sure to carefully read the requirements on the solicitation of the agency to which you are applying. Relatively few opportunities exist in the SBIR STTR programs to designate co-PIs in which the principal investigator role is shared by 2 or more individuals. The National Institutes of Health allows this on SBIR and STTR projects that require a team science approach and refer to them as multiple PIs. However, special requirements do exist for this structure, and a leadership plan must be submitted. NSF uses the term co-PI with respect to NSF STTR proposals, all of which must involve a sub-awardee research institution. The lead from that institution is referred to as a co-PI, and companies are instructed to designate a co-PI from that institution listed on the cover page and on the sub-budget. This is a naming convention. Once again, we advise consulting the solicitation for agency-specific guidance on co-PIs. And remember, you can always contact the agency's SBIR or STTR program manager to clarify what is allowed or required.